While you lie there, an army of ruthless enemy Desmotes is parachuting onto our furniture. We cannot surrender! I love the smell of mop water in the morning.
Well then, General Disaster, it's all for tonight's show.
Start rehearsing now. We'll have just enough time to reclean the bus before we go to the concert. Ami, you've gone totally mental. Give it a rest, please.
This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, Denver, Castle Rock, Greeley, and Byers. High wind warning in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Sunday. What? Northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of east central and northeast Colorado, including Greeley, the Denver Metro, Palmer Divide, and the Eastern Plains. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and a few power outages may result. Blowing dust could reduce visibility to less than a mile in places. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
Come to Mama, my little snare snappers! You guys are right. I did go too far. I guess there is such a thing as too clean.
Well, we can try to keep things a little neater, can't we, Kaz?
Huh?
And I guess I can make things a little...